What's up, guys? It is Cameron, and today we're headed to go pick up some cash from the engine I just sold and check out the new wheels and tires on the BMW. If you guys are new viewers out there, consider subscribing. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video. All right, guys, so we're just about at the BMW right now. The weather outside is very nice, just big chilling. I'll be there to show you guys the wheels and tires and show you how the car's doing, because we have some interior modifications done to the car. All right, guys, well, unfortunately, since the time that we transported the vehicle and the time that it is now, somebody stole the wheels, and you know, the brakes are pretty much gone. Don't know what happened to them. They're all rusted out and stuff. You know, a lot of people drive by and they see this car, they're probably thinking, wow, just another piece of crap BMW. They're right, but not for long. I'll tell you what, not for long. Okay, guys, so these are the wide tires. Look at this. This is so freaking wide. This is just one tire, and it's in comparison to the fronts. 265 35 18s and 285 35 18s. Oh my gosh, these are the Falcon Azennis FK 510s, and these are some really wide tires. Oh my gosh, wow, it's gonna look great on the car. Speaking of the car, the engine is pulled and its new engine is right here. We're going to be putting that in as soon as the transmission comes in, which I'll be ordering in a few days. We did take the front end off, so it would make it easier pulling the engine, but it'll go back in pretty quickly and pretty easily. Oh, that's nothing. Hey guys, these are the new brakes that's going on the car. I'm actually going to be installing these today. Yeah, so I didn't actually end up installing the brakes. The reason being is because we don't have the hardware to reinstall the brakes. We had to drill out the bolts that were holding the rotor to the hub, and unfortunately, because we have to order new hardware, we won't be able to install the brakes until that hardware comes in. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video though. But yeah, these are gonna be so nice. Oh man.
It's all about the deal, boys.
Yo, what if one of these is brakes, the other one's the harness? Oh my gosh, wow. These are drilled and slotted. These are sexy. Just wow. This is one of the Braun racing seats I picked up. I'm about to actually sit in it real quickly. Oh crap, dude. This hugs me, man. I'm not going anywhere. Wow. This is what the car looks like with interior now. I gotta get the trim, but that's nothing, and I gotta get some new door clips, but it's okay because I have a plan for the door cards anyways. We do have the airbag for the steering wheel. It is chilling in the trunk. Just haven't put it on yet. And
we have all the armrest and everything.
Here's the bracket for the driver's seat. We just haven't put it in yet because we have to maneuver the transmission and everything once it does get here. This video has been sponsored by ESR Wheels. ESR was nice enough to get me these wheels at a discounted price. You guys can buy all your ESR wheels at esr.com or through an authorized dealer. This set right here is the ESR RF2s. These are rotary forged. They carry a 1-year finish warranty as well as a lifetime structural warranty. So if you guys want to get a really good set of forged wheels, these are the ones to get. Now, me myself personally, I went with some 18 by 9.5 for the front and 18 by 10.5 in the back, but they have a whole bunch of different sizes, and if you need a custom drill, they're happy to do it for you. Make sure you guys visit ESR Wheels for all your wheel needs. Now this is the other racing seat. I'm just gonna open it up for you really quickly so you guys can see. This is a really sexy seat. Think of that. That's a good looking seat. So we got a little brochure and sticker you know, the sticker's extra horsepower. We're actually gonna put this on last once the car's all clean. So I'm just gonna set this aside for a later time. Hey guys, I'm just here in my garage. You know what I like more than these car parts and this BMW M3 and all of this? I really like knowledge. You know, Tay Lopez taught me that. But today we don't care about knowledge because we're unboxing some wheels. Now these puppies are the ESR RF2s finished in matte bronze. And I can't tell you how excited I am to open these. I'm so excited I don't even know how to take the plastic off correctly, and Jonathan can tell you himself. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. You know, it feels really good to see your vision kind of coming into tuition a little bit. I got some brand new brakes. Those are drilled and slotted rotors with ceramic pads. And I got a whole bunch of tools spilling out everywhere. That's no problem. I got this racing seat and that Ellis engine over there. And to be honest, it just feels really, really good seeing all of this come into life. And I got money for another transmission. Excuse the mask, COVID. But yeah, guys, wow, just wow. I would like to thank you guys for watching another video. If you guys are new viewers out there, maybe this is your first time, be sure to check out other videos in the playlist. This is part of an M3 LS swap. I got the car about a couple of months ago, and I've just been pretty much ordering parts and doing what I can to get it running ever since. I hope you guys have a good day / night, wherever you may find yourselves, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, by the way, here's some photos.